Oh, damn, I stepped it.
I'm gonna buy this poor girl.
You're gonna buy it? You're actually gonna buy it, bro? Just in case it does? Now Steph's taking for, what's that called? Precaution, yeah, precautionary.
Precautionary person.
Oh, man. That fixed? What are you smiling like that for? This is not funny. This is not funny. What's it?
It's antibiotic.
Antibiotic?
Yeah.
Fix pee-pee?
Yeah.
Yeah, that will fix pee-pee?
Are you sure?
Him? I don't want to get sick from him. I'm trying to, he's bad. What's that one?
I can't read it.
Antivirus.
Yeah. That help?
You take one day, one tablet until 3 days.
And then he'll feel better? And he'll be good? He'll be good? He'll be good over there?
Is this one?
This antibiotic, this antivirus.
Anti-virus.
Virus.
Fetus? Anti-fetus?
Yeah.
So he doesn't get pregnant?
Anti-fetus.
I don't know what anti-fetus means. What's anti-fetus? What's anti-fetus?
Oh, I need that app.
Azithromycin, you know?
What does it stop?
What does that, does that cure? Like, it burns when he goes to the bathroom. He's like, ah! Like he's like, I gotta go pee. Ah! That one will do that? Yeah. Okay, get that one. He get that one. He's actually buying it. Yeah, shame on him, right? I tried to tell him no boom boom. Tell him no boom boom. Tell him no boom boom. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Okay,
Tuesday, one tablet, yeah?
one a day, one a night.
Yeah.
Okay.
After, yeah?
Yeah.
1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days.
5 days.
Oh, 5 days I got to take it for.
Hey, you're good. Here we go.
250 though.
250. 250, jeez.
Hey, this is saving you.
Boy,
Saving
we're
you.
getting some
Saving your baby.
saving, baby.
Saving his baby. You saving baby. Thank you. Thank you. Careful. Yeah, you need to be more careful. More careful.
Carefully, yeah? Carefully. And Durek.
Which one?
Durek.
German.
Yeah. Preventive.
Oh, condom. Condom?
Condom.
Do you guys have do you have condoms here? Do you sell condoms here? Do you sell them here? Do you sell them here?
Yeah.
Yeah, condom.
This.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You're getting them, man. You're buying them.
All right, deal. Ooh, which one's for big? Big, you know, like, do you have the big ones? I need the big ones. Are there a size? They have size?
Yeah.
What's the biggest size? You don't know the big one? Does it say which one's the big?
Yeah.
No, let's get one of these ones. Let's get it. I'm gonna get Featherlight. What's that?
Thin.
Better intimacy.
Rib, man. Get the rib.
All right, rib. Can I get one of the ribs? Rib? Thank you. Yes.
20,000.
20,000. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you. See, this is what you should have used, Steph. This is what he should have used, right? He used this. He'd be okay. He okay?
You're taking these tablets, too.
I'm not taking those tablets. You. I don't have burning pee-pee. You have burning pee-pee. No, you
Small
burn.
money, okay? Thank you, please.
Small money? Do you have small money? I only have hundreds.
20.
20.
Yeah, yeah. Hang on, let me see.
Thank you.
Thank you for your help, by the way. He's bad.
I got 10, yeah. I got 10.
He was peeing on the beach. Screaming.
Just menu water, yeah?
Mini water.
Oh, yeah. I'm drinking water.
Yeah. Water. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. You owe me 200.
Oh my fucking god, bro. All right, I'm ready this time. I'm just kidding, I'm not ready. I'm still scared. What is that?
Need a fresh rock?
What's that?
The fresh rock?
Fresh rock?
Yes. The smiling rock, you see? The one is smiling.
Oh, it is smiling. Oh, okay, I see it now. What was your name again? Bess? How do I say your name again?
Best?
Bess, right?
Yeah.
Bess. I don't know. In the jungle. That's my speaker.
Okay, and I'm teaching you now.
What?
How to do it.
No, no.
Just do the same thing.
Yep.
Yeah, bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye. See you over there. He didn't take the sign with him.
No.
Oh, no.
But you know.
all right.
Yeah.
I'm scared. All right.
Green.
Green, go.
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 Red.
Stop.
Oh, yeah, you know. Where you from?
America. Nebraska.
Yes. Me from Cambodia.
Cambodia. Nice.
Thanks.
I want to go there someday. Nice place?
Yes.
Cambodia, nice?
Nice.
Nice.
From Siem Reap.
Oh, okay.
Kampong.
Oh.
Yes. Come to me, please.
Mm.
You know Angkor Wat?
Mm-mm.
Angkor Wat, beautiful.
Beautiful?
Yes.
Okay. I'm scared.
You scared?
Yep.
Yeah, you scared you like, yeah?
Yep. Good?
Yeah. Start with your hand.
Yep.
I'm straight. Yes, yes.
Oh, straight.
Here you go. What?
Hey, yo, my city's dope. Let's go, my city. Hey. Oh, shit. I'm scared. I'm scared. Fuck, I hate being out here. Tommy on, I'm scared. I can't do it, Bez. I'm going down. Okay. 2-second break.
Second break.
Just like,
Okay, alright. Where you stay in here?
Arkbar.
Akbar.
Akbar.
So far.
Pretty far from here, yeah.
Got party every night.
Yeah, every night. My room is on like the corner,
Yeah.
right by the bar. So like it's like till 2 a.m. every night. No sleep. No sleep.
Ready?
All right, I'm ready.
Okay.
God, I hate this part.
Maybe you're fishing here with the trip. Maybe you can search in the internet.
Yeah, maybe. I'll have to look. We good?
Yeah.
All right, brother, I love you. Catch you on the flip side. Hey! Yo, my city. I'm having the dopest motherfucking time of my life. Look at the views. Look at the views on this one. Look at the cave, baby. Look at the cave, baby. We're going all the way in. No break, no break, no break. It pinches my nuts, mate. Kopenka.
Yeah. Good fun, yeah?
Yeah, that's fun.
Here to play around, see I'm only here to mess you up and represent my town. Come in here and you'll get rattled, get made fun of like a clown. You don't really want to battle, I'm the heaviest of pounds. I ain't lying, boy.
Fuck, bro. Yo, we're alive, bro. Dude, there were some times that shit was tight, dude. Oh my god.
What the hell, man? Look at that alley.
Fuck. Real fake glasses. You're right. Oh yeah, this is Sky Garden. I came here. This is where I came to say. This is Sky Garden. Look. Hey, this is that thing I was telling you about. Remember that thing with the ball? That's it. That's it.
Really?
Yeah. costs 700,000 for two, I think. So 350 each. Let's go ask. Or actually, no, maybe it costs. It's kind of expensive. Let's go. Come on.
Hello.
What's up, guys? How much does it cost to ride this thing? 350 per person. Can I wear my backpack in there?
Loose.
Not loose. I ride this everywhere. I ride on bikes everywhere. It's all strapped in. Look it. I'm like a robot. It's with me. I'm a robot. Yeah? Can you tie me in? It won't move. I go everywhere with this. I ride bikes, everything. It won't.
Yeah. Which camera as well? Yeah.
Camera's on here, yeah. It's all strapped on. It's all tied in together, see? You want to say hi? Like, look, see this? I'm streaming right now. See, this is all people watching me right now, watching what I'm doing. So I'm trying to show them Bali. I want to get on that thing with my camera, if that's okay. Yeah?
Come on. But we still put a seatbelt here, you know?
Yeah, but can it? Oh yeah. Can I try? Can we try it? Can we try it at least? Can we see if I can fit? And if I don't, we won't do it.
TP channel or what?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
No, can't.
Not a TV. It's like here, like here.
Or like social media or
Like
what?
YouTube. Like YouTube. Like watch. See. Hey, yo, Mod City. If you want to, hey, Mod City, watch this. Yo, Mod City. Sorry. If you want to ride on this thing, I want to get on this thing. We'll go up on this thing with the camera, right? It slingshots up like crazy. You want to do this? Let's get some ones in the feed. All right, check us out. See?
Yeah, it's like a live.
Yeah, so then you go like this and then... Yeah, see? See it? There's everyone's saying hi and there's all different people that are watching. Please let him ride. So I'll throw in ones for you. See that?
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we could.
I understand,
we
like, I understand.
Us because we put a seatbelt here, you know?
Yeah.
You want to try first?
I want to try first, yeah. See if you can strap me in. If you can strap me in.
Tight enough because it's going so fast.
Yeah, it's tight. It's tight. It's not gonna. It won't go. It'll stay on.
Are you from America?
Yeah, I rode this last year.
Last time.
Last year, yeah.
I remember you. Sit down here. You ride with the lady from
Yeah,
Sky
hey,
Bank.
you remember me? Yeah, I did already.
I know.
Yeah.
You will bring your phone as well or no?
I'll put it in my pocket. It's got a zipper.
Oh yeah. It's going to work, right?
Will that work?
Yeah, just.
Let me get this. Yeah, let me put this away.
Best position and.
Yeah, that's cool to see you still here. That's funny you remember that.
Yeah.
Oh, this is from last year, dude.
Yeah, this is.
Really?
He remembers me from last year, dude. Yeah. He's like, you came from the girl from over there. I said, yeah.
Is that? Oh, is this?
Oh, that's.
In the downstairs.
Yeah, you can put that down there. Hey, real quick, hold on. Is everything set? Is this right back tight and stuff? Ah, no, what? No. Ah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, let's sit down, press.
Oh, let me pull this on. All right.
You gonna come on? You been on?
Oh, she's singing.
I've been like more than 20 times.
You been more than 20 times? Yo, it's scary. Yo, Steph, it's scary as fuck, bro. Holy shit, Mod City, we about to do this. Yo, so everyone, Mod City is everyone in the chat. You say, Mod City, Mod City.
Mod City.
Mod City, baby. And? Oh, I don't know what happened. I heard it on like a. I heard
it's gonna be work.
Oh, it's gonna work? Oh, yeah, brother.
Is that alright?
This is all mounted. It won't fall off.
No,
It's all.
your face or something
No,
like that?
it might wobble a little bit, but it's good. It's all zip tied. See, I got it all. It's all tied in.
I'm more worried about you flying out, man.
I ain't flying out, bro.
Look at that. Okay.
Something's gonna get.
Let's get ticket first and sign and.
Yeah. Woo!
How much? About 350.
Yeah, 350 each. 350,
You
yeah.
know about the time.
I know. Yeah, he knows. See, I can't believe he remembers me, bro. That's fucking crazy. He's like, you remember last time? I said, yeah. Oh no, we're gonna go. Yeah, hit him. I'm filming this right now, so I want to make sure I can get strapped in there. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna get on there now. You all there?
Can you hold that there? Yeah, but now to finish.
You got cash with you? Because I don't have a.